Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Nikki. If you are not familiar with my channel, go ahead guys, watch the videos and the lives and get caught up with my channel. If you're not a subscriber already, go ahead, subscribe to the channel by hitting that notification bell. Like it up guys, and share this channel with your friends and families. Are you a shrimp lover? If you are a shrimp lover, I will be doing a special shrimp recipe. Are you ready for this, guys? Let's get cracking.
Place some shrimp into a container. Wash your shrimp with some lemon. Drain the excess water from your shrimp. Let's cut up some red peppers. But before you cut up your red peppers, make sure your red pepper is washed properly. Now let's cut up some onions. And some real hot pepper, but make sure your peppers are being washed as well. We have all our ingredients ready, so now we're ready to make our peppered shrimp. Are you ready, guys? Let's start cooking. Let's put a little drop of olive oil in this pot. This is what we're going to be using to saute our peppered shrimp. The next thing we need is a pot to make our rice. Let's turn the stove on because we will be making some quinoa rice. I'm only making 3/4 cups of quinoa rice. Let's add this onion, red pepper, and hot pepper to this oil. Make sure your onions, your red peppers, and hot peppers are cooked properly. Add your shrimp to your sauteed onions, peppers, and the hot pepper. Add a little pinch of salt. It's now time to wash our rice. Let's add a little salt along with this rice to this boiling pot of water. Let's check on this shrimp. Let's check on this rice. Let's fry some ripe plantains. These go well with peppered shrimp.
I made myself some peppered shrimp on a bed of quinoa rice served with some ripe plantains. Yummy, guys. I can't wait to have this. So I hope you guys will try this recipe, and of course I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.